Hi there, I'm Jessie with My Marbles and Whatnot. Welcome to my kitchen. This is my son and he really wants to make candy, and so I'm actually going to teach Joey how to do it. So why don't you come along and learn with us. Okay, so the first thing that we've got to do, buddy, is empty the water, because if we don't, the water's going to get sucked back in and make everything wet. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this. Can you reach that bucket?
It's kind of heavy. But yes, I can reach the bucket.
All right, we're gonna dump that bucket and then we'll set it back up. Or get a good idea of how much water comes out. Make sure the
hose.
Make sure the hose gets into the bucket, because we really don't want water all over the floor either.
What do I do now, Mom?
Okay, so you're going to say customize, and your initial freeze is -10. Your extra freeze time is 1 hour. Your dry temperature is 125. And your extra dry time is 2 hours. Now that's generally what it looks like, but we're going to actually increase the drying temperature to like 140. You want it between 135 and 150. We could even do 145.
It says candy/high temperature. No, it does.
Is that what it says?
Yeah, under dry temperature it says candy/high temperature mode.
Exactly.
Ouch!
Okay, so now what you're going to need to do is get a tray. Show them what we're going to do.
I think we're going to do the Peeps first, so that's
We even got
bunnies, sour watermelon, and some pink.
so fun. All right, so let's do,
Yellow ones first.
you pick out what you want to do.
Yellow first.
Okay.
We don't have any more space on that one, so time to get a new one.
Here's your tray liner.
And then for Peeps sour watermelon. This guy looks like he's crying.
Oh no, maybe you need to eat that one. Why don't you take a bite and show us, tell us if it's any good.
Oh, it's pink on the inside.
You gonna try one?
Yes. These ones are harder to rip.
You have to look at the camera instead of the, there you go.
Not exactly sour, but it still tastes like watermelon.
Good.
It's pretty good.
All right.
This?
Yeah.
Load trays into freeze dryer. Close drain valve.
Okay, so that's what you need to do.
What's the drain valve?
The drain valve is over on this other side.
Like that?
Yep, that's
Okay.
closed. All right, so now you're gonna load it.
Count. It's count. These will definitely need to be rearranged. They roll around. You're looking at my the thing first.
Sometimes what you do is you rest it kind of in there, and then you fix the guys on the tray. And then carefully push it in.
I can see like foam coming from the bottom.
Yeah, you can. Now see how it's sticking out a little bit? That just means you have to twist it. It says high temperature mold, make sure to turn on. Continue. There we go.
Okay. So now that we're warm,
Add a little bit of time, only because our food is really cold already. All right, now we just let it go for.
it's mostly dry now, so I think we should finish doing this and get them out.
Check them on, check them out. Well, the first thing you're gonna need to do is turn off that extra dry time.
Should we defrost or?
We're gonna not worry about that yet. You're gonna
So no defrost?
not anything yet. What I want you to do is the next thing is you've got to open that drain valve over there. Now you'll be able to open the door.
Should I stop this?
Nope. Now last night I checked on the chicks. And you can see I beheaded one. And it was dry already, but when you break them open, you test to see if they're cold on the inside.
We're gonna have one of these ones
Okay.
first, at least.
Now these were the ones that were questionable last night, so we're gonna test those. That one is sitting in a pool
Was.
of chocolate that is not dry.
It was. So moved it. And then some bunnies.
Those bunnies are huge.
Definitely compared to what they used to be, at least. It's hot. There we go. Should I close this one fully or
Yep, close it.
like fully?
Yep. And say defrost. Alright, we need to break one of these.
I will make it. And see if the inside is cold, so I'm just gonna break the ear, it's easier. Well, it's hard.
Is it cold or hot?
It's about room temperature. It looks like styrofoam.
What does the ear taste like?
Kind of hard to explain.
Like a what?
It's weird. But then after a little bit, it tastes like marshmallow. You can't like taste the flavor of the Peeps itself, just the marshmallow. Tastes weird, but then it tastes like marshmallow.
Cool. And what about
Oh, the big
those?
ones. Oh, that was satisfying. It's hollow. Yeah, it's not completely dry.
I don't think that the chocolate ever will completely dry. Because if we look at this right here, where this one leaked,
It's still very much.
it's still very wet. Is it fun though with the freeze dried, or is it just
Yeah.
the same?
I think that these are better, freeze dried, and I like these. I just don't like the first flavor when you taste it. But overall, it's pretty good.
So we wouldn't want to save those for long-term storage, but they might be fun for the holiday.
These?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Because the chocolate isn't gonna freeze dry completely.
Yeah.
Unless, I don't know, we've never tested. We could put it in for 60 hours and see, but I'm not gonna do that.
60 hours.
That's a lot, huh?
Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell in the description to be notified when we upload a new video.